Hello and welcome to my video about my Fallout 4 VR mod manager. So if you've been around for a while or you've used the mod manager previously, you'll know that I had an older video on this. The mod manager's actually changed a fair bit since then, so I thought I'd just give it another little quick run through. So as you can see, I've got it open right now and it's just on the main screen. The main thing to ignore is these DLCs. Fallout 4 VR doesn't actually normally come with the DLCs anyway unless you've pre-installed them, which is a mod in itself I suppose, but you can ignore those. And then as you can see, I've got a set of other mods here. A tick next to it means it's activated. I can untick any of those and deactivate them if I want to, but it will not delete the file. If you want to delete it, you can right click any of the files and select delete. So I'll just right click one here. There you go, move up. So that will move it up in the load order. So there is load order adjustment in here, and move down will move it down a place in the load order. And then there's also just deleting it, of course. There's a quick link there. That will just take you straight to the data folder. That is the preferred way of installing mods. The install a mod thing here is very rudimentary. It will only install .esms, .esps and .ba2s that are either by themselves or in a zip. So it's much better to open the data folder and install it yourself. You can also change it to a BA2 viewer. So these are all the files that are actually installed as archives. So these don't need activating or deactivating, they're just always present. Same thing here as well, by the way. Right click, delete an archive if you don't need it anymore. Then you can always swap it back. And then it will automatically update whenever it sees a new ESP file in here. Or a new ESM file. If it hasn't for whatever reason, you can force refresh, and then we've got a handy little counter up here which tells you exactly how many mods are installed. You can head on to the Nexus mod searcher as well. This will show you the stuff that's currently available and you can download stuff. Settings, that will, if your INI file hasn't been changed, you can click that and it will forcibly add the changes you need to activate mods. And then there's just an about and changelog area so you can see all the bugs that we've been fixing, and a very long list going all the way back of everything that's going on. Every time it's opened as well, it will do a update check for you, and if there's an update to be found, it will let you know. If you want to check yourself, you can click just down here where it says find us on Nexus Mods, take you straight to my page where you can take a look. And yeah, it's not that advanced really, it's just the basics, exactly what you need. No nonsense, very small file, doesn't use up a lot of RAM, and if this is all you need from a mod manager, then it'll be perfect for you. There's an easy play button there, and as soon as you click play, the mod manager will close, although it shouldn't really save that many resources, it's just the way it's done. In the future, I am actually looking to expand it so that you can also mod Fallout 4 for it, for people who just want a lightweight Fallout 4 launcher. That's not done as of yet, but I would expect it within the next few features or so, future updates, should I say. Currently we're on 1.4.8.0. I'm expecting that in 1.5. So not too far away now, as long as I don't end up having to push it back for whatever reason. But yeah, just thought I'd give a quick update. If you have any further questions on how to use it, first thing to do is to open up the README file. Loads of assistance to be found in there. If you still need any help, I would recommend posting on the Nexus Mods page or commenting, or both if you want the best chance of me seeing it. Thank you.